Okay, in today's video we're just going to go over what has been the trade of the week for 2 weeks in a row. Not this week, but the last week and the week before. And the original setup is still intact. That's what I want you to know. Okay, when we originally looked at it, we had hit and held key support. There were at least some short-term buy triggers, and we did see a little bit of a follow-through, followed with a retest of the original decision, but ultimately it has held up. And if we continue to hold above this last low, just know that in the bigger picture, your potential upside target is going to be the 1272 extension of the swing into the zone. Okay, but with that being said, I also want you to know what the hurdles are on the way up. Okay, and that's going to come from running the retracement of the prior major swing, and we do have a 618 that you want to be aware of. It's also going to come from running an extension of this high to low. Notice that we have a 1272 extension of that swing just above current levels. There's also going to be an extension of the more recent swing, high to low. Okay, that overlaps that extension. We can check one more extension here. I think we have to check this most recent one, high to low. Okay, and then there is yet another extension, a 1618 of the more minor swing here. Let's just check and see if we have anything with this smaller swing, high to low. Okay, we're through the 618 there, don't have to worry about that. Okay, but you see where, you start to run into a lot of resistance here. Now there's another swing that we have to run that comes from taking 100% of the first swing up. So low to high, projected from the low. Now that just happens to overlap this area also. So I still do like FedEx, but I do want you to be aware of the resistance that's coming in just above the current levels. So, if you were in the trade and we're starting to get up into this resistance, you might want to ratchet up stops. I mean, maybe you won't get stopped out, but typically you want to ratchet them up, because when you're at a cluster like this, it does have the potential to, give you another pullback that you might not want to sit through. So that's all. Heads up, it's starting to play out. But just be aware of this overhead resistance.